Researchers from the humanities to social sciences and hard sciences are inundated these days with data. There's no way around it. And here at the libraries, we are very aware of that and doing everything we can to support researchers in what they need to do to manage their data. Every single researcher has unique data issues, and our data librarians are trained to help with all those different issues. They're trained to help faculty, students, graduate students, and undergrads in whatever data that you have, wherever that data is.
So my dissertation is about food history in 19th century Brazil, and the library services helped a lot in providing information, assistance of all sorts. And the main sources that I use for my research are cookbooks. My data set has 53 cookbooks. There are thousands of recipes, so it would be humanly impossible to go through all of these recipes without digital technologies. I could not have done this project without their help.
We want our faculty and our students at all levels to publish in top journals, have the best research impact, get the grant funding you need to do your research, and then be able to think of new ways of doing research and new ways of publishing.
The Data Research Services is really a gem in that it provides this kind of hands-on production of ways to analyze data, to pull out meaning from the data.
I think a big part of it is looking over the horizon at what is coming. We are paying attention to artificial intelligence and looking at how that's affecting research and looking at the new tools that are coming down the pipe to do research with AI. We're thinking about things like persistent identifiers, PIDs. Everything is getting a persistent identifier so that when you write a data management plan, you can pull in your ORCID ID, which is your own personal persistent identifier. We have a librarian here who can help you with that. We're looking as far down the road as we can at what's coming to researchers so that they can fulfill the requirements that the grant funders ask and that they can find the right journals to publish in for the future.
These are resources that are vital to research. We need to be able to analyze data, look up data, have those resources for this data in order to make better informed decisions. And that's important to both research faculty and graduate students, as well as postdoctoral researchers.
It's an information that is out there for sure, but sometimes it's hard to find where to start. As a student, I needed someone to take me by the hand and show possible pathways to pursue this project.
I'm in the public history department here. Some of the end results, we can create a map, we can create charts or visualizations through the Data Research Services. And so knowing what these tools can do, being able to speak the language a little bit and work with the visualization experts to be able to produce these really compelling visuals is a gem in the library.
What really excites me about working with Data Research Services is how much you can do with your data if it's well organized, and all the possibilities that are out there this day and age that are growing, where how you can share your research story online and how you can tell a wonderful, impactful story about what you've been working so hard on.